I'm Ramona Hershey from Belvoir, Stoke on Trent. So what happens when you book a valuation with us? I've just been on the phone with a client who has booked a sales valuation. They would like to know what price they can get for their property if they sell in this current market. I want to take you through the process that we go through as a valuer to get the most accurate pricing in order for you to get your sale in the time scale that you want. So let me show you what happens. The first stage is when you book your valuation over the phone or by email, and what we tend to do is we'll fill in our sheet here and we'll get some basic information, all your contact details, property address, type of property, how many bedrooms, any renovations you've done, any improvements, any extensions, what the general condition is like for the inside of the house.
To prepare for your valuation, we have several tools available to us in order to get the comparable market data. Now, I like to use this one called On the Market Expert, and what it does is it gives me all the comparable evidence on the market that fits your property. So I have my report, it's ready.
So I have my evidence here in my hand, a report that I will leave with the client today, together with our pack that contains all our fees, service levels, and a full description of how we will market the property.
So the next part of the sales appraisal or valuation process is the actual visit to the property.
So I'm back in the office and before the phone rings and I don't know how many emails I've got, I am going to send the client the proposal. We had a good discussion in the house. I discussed all the prices with her and our service, and she seemed happy with it, so she just has to discuss it over with her spouse. But in the meantime, I will send a proposal that confirms everything that we discussed with our fees and all of that, so that she has the information to hand with no pressure. She can consider everything and give me a ring as soon as she's ready to sell her property.